Maybe you. What have I done for you?
What is your duty here?
My duty is Ottoman or security. I'm not a fetch water to you. Please don't ask me this person because I wake up at 3 o'clock.
Hey, shut up! When I see how the whole hostel is stranded, go and get us water before I get angry with you.
Please call madam. Don't come and shut something like that. Why are you shouting? Huh? Why are you shouting me?
The tap is not flowing and you're here telling me nonsense. What is your duty here? Answer it.
Why are you disturbing him? He's a security, not an errand boy.
Hey, Buroba, you want to die, he's in K. Was and be like
It's okay.
What's it going to do? What he?
It's okay. I'm just.
What is okay?
Let's go and find out.
Stop that thing.
Hey, you do what I'm talking here, madam. Please, I'm a fetch water man. What's my duty?
You are security. Please, just become okay. I'm not you. It's okay.
Please, sir.
Hey, bet this madam go. Warning him go. If you tell me in fact, I will like a liar. I will like it to go away with lying. See your life, oh.
How are you doing?
I'm fine. See, this water thing is causing chaos in your compound.
That is the main reason why I called you here.
See your life, oh.
This Angie's girl is really becoming unbecoming in this hostel. That is the main reason why I called you, Melody. Because I believe you are the only person that can speak to her for me. It's too much. There's one thing you need to understand. Nobody has water in this hostel. And moreover, Tofik is just a security man. Tofik is a security man. He's not the one who's supposed to provide water for everybody in this hostel. So where from all this kind of attitude? I'm really pissed this morning. How can she do that?
I'll talk to her, please.
You better speak to her. It's not good.
Just become okay.
Is she the only one in this hostel?
It's okay.
See your life, oh. Look at this. Come and see this girl. Every girl. Oh, this is too good of you. Hey, madam will hear this one. Madam will hear this one.
Hello, girls. You see your life, oh. You see your life, oh.
See your life, oh. See her life, oh. See her life, oh. See your life, oh. See your life, oh.
Please, let's go water. Listen.
It's not easy.
Why?
I don't have money to eat today.
You don't have money.
I'm hungry. I'm very, very hungry.
You also don't have money.
Me too, I don't have money.
God. I'm very hungry.
Excuse me.
Angie's, what did you just say? I don't have money, but I'm hungry.
Yeah, you're hungry.
We are all up to money.
Let me help you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Angie's baby, thank you.
Let's go.
Yes, it is.
Oh, God.
Thank you.
Melody, what's our friends from? They said they were hungry.
Really, I can't believe this. This is the first time.
They are hungry and we are all human. I feel their pain. I feel what they are going through.
Wow. You have really impressed me.
Please. Wow. My dear. You're so beautiful. Turn your around. Wow. 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 My dear, you're so beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh, where are you going?
I'm off to campus.
Campus? Oh, come on. You come just come and
no,
join
I'm
me.
okay. We're almost there.
Oh, please. I need to talk to you. No, you don't know me. You don't know me. Come.
No,
Let me.
Okay.
Please. Don't do that. Huh? You're so beautiful. You don't know me. My name is Alhaji Obolo.
Alhaji Obolo?
Yeah.
And who are you?
Oh! You don't know Alhaji before?
No. Please, I'm coming.
Oh, please, I need to talk to your friend. Please, 1 minute.
Please, in a hurry.
You just join. Let me
are
go
you
through.
sure?
You don't have to problem.
Please, are you sure?
I'm sure.
Okay,
my dear, please,
talk
to them.
Ma, you know, say you be the coolest guy on campus. So me, I dey check you. I dey feel you. Charlie, Ericus, Berry, Maswak, them will be my parties. But Charlie, I dey feel you past them. Because you be the coolest guy. And there is this kind of life you dey live nowadays, Charlie. If I not tell you or if I not prompt you, Charlie, nobody will do.
We love that.
Mm-hmm. You know, say we all did this campus for one purpose. That's to learn, to become someone in the future.
Yeah, that's what I've been doing.
Oh, Charlie, make you show that. Hey, man, nowadays we hardly see you on campus. You see Ima today, like let's say Monday. The rest of the days, you will never be on campus. We can't lifestyle with that. Hey, Charlie.
Boy, now the high give me wrong. Like, I thought to say, like, you give your people, they support you small. I mean, I get nobody for support. Because I cancel for my everything. Even school fees, I cancel for everything. I mean, at times, I go traffic, they sell hanky, pure water, PK. At times, you know how they sell my pure water? Pure water, rush most for the street inside, boy. If I don't do that one, I'm going to pay my school fees, give me on. So I do everything for myself, boy. That day why I know the camp school, as they think, you know, boy.
My friend shot that thing. Why you talk as if me I be the beat? Tell you all they hassle you. So make you not use that one as an excuse. Because that job where you talk, that job where you use as an excuse right now. You can do them on weekends and come to school on Monday.
In the talk weekends, you be student Monday to Friday for us, Saturday to Sunday. Weekends. That one no go jump, boy. Cause that 2 days no money, no go fit do me anything. So at times now for Sunday school small, boy. The way the things they high give me, you know. Not be so they high give you, boy.
Come on, stop talking as a kid. this hustling day you dey hustle. If you say from the school where you dey hustle. So if you get the money and you not come to class, what's the essence of you hustling?
Boy, you every day you did the school inside. You did class. If I can, what the lecturer will talk you know. If I can, I go do the same lectures give me.
Sure. You don't put your eyes on me.
Ah boy, why you be my friend? Agidi, please call Mimi. Say the mother is come here. Mimi, why? Yeah. Oh, Mimi, mom. Yeah. Madam.
Mommy, video.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
Mommy, all these are for me.
Mommy, you're welcome. Mommy, you're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm not a kid anymore. Oh, how are you? I'm not a kid anymore. Diamond! No, kid, we are going inside.
Mommy, you're welcome again.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Diamond!
What is it? Just go and sleep. Priceless. Just go and sleep. Underground work pay.
What's in the underground work? I be minor.
Sorry.
Very good. Priceless.
Swag. It's getting late. I don't like the environment.
Really?
Let me go and sleep. We continue tomorrow.
Okay. I feel you. Good night.
What you did yesterday wasn't nice at all. Why do you have to mock Angie? Don't ever repeat what you did again. Besides, she's the oldest among us here. I wasn't the one who. It was them. Shut up! I heard you were the one who started it.
Mimi, what do you want from me? Why can't you take my name out of your mouth? For crying out loud, I hate you. I hate you to the extent that I expect the same thing from you. What? Mimi, don't let me break boundaries in this hostel.
Yeah, I don't have your time. Excuse me.
Don't let me break boundaries in this hostel.
Another one. Let's go.
Of this. Huh? Why do you want to give room for this girl to disrespect you? Your level is higher than hers, but yet each time you keep giving her the chance to talk to you like that. Why?
She should take my name out of her mouth. That is all I expect from her.
Can't you ignore her? Huh? The best answer to a fool is silence.
Please, let me go and have my class in peace. Excuse me.